Good morning, class third. So, today it's our English class, and we are going to start with a new chapter of English Reader Book. And the name of the chapter is Our National Bird. So, do you all know that every nation, every country has their own national birds, national animal, national fruit, national tree? Every country has their national bird, fruit, tree, alright, and animal. So today we are talking about the national bird of India. So do you all know who is our national bird? Our national bird is this beautiful peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Once our teacher brought a feather in the class. She showed it to the children. It was a beautiful feather. It was a peacock's feather. So what happened, once our teacher brought a feather in the class. Class में feather लेके आई. Feather मतलब पंख. चिड़िया birds का पंख होता है ना. So she brought a feather in the class, and the feather was very beautiful. It was a peacock's feather. It was a peacock's feather. The teacher drew a peacock on the blackboard. Then she told us about this pretty word. So what teacher did? She drew a beautiful peacock on the blackboard, and then she told everyone about this beautiful pretty bird, that is peacock. The peacock is our national bird. It is a beautiful bird. It has colorful feathers. तो peacock क्या है? हमारा national bird है और बहुत ही सुंदर होता है. It is the most beautiful bird in the world. And it has colorful feathers. उसके feathers जो है वो बहुत colorful होते हैं. The color of its feathers are blue, green, red, and brown. So these colors are there in its feather: blue, green, dark red, and brown. The feathers are spotted at the end. और feathers के end में क्या होते हैं? Spots होते हैं. The spots look like lovely blue and gold eyes. और वो spots कैसे लगते हैं? Eyes की तरह लगते हैं, blue and golden eyes की जैसे. The feathers in the tail are very long, and the feathers of the peacock is very long. The peacock has a plume on his head. So look, here is the peacock. Look at these spots on his feathers. These are blue and yellow and golden in color, and they looks like an eye. eye के जैसे लगते हैं. And peacock also has a plume on his head. And what is plume? It is a soft fluffy feather. It is also called kalgi in Hindi. Alright, so peacock has these beautiful features. The peacock dances beautifully. It spreads out the feather of its tail like a fan, and then it sways from side to side. It dances mostly in the rainy season. So peacock dances beautifully. Peacock is the only bird who can dance beautifully. It's अपने क्या करता है? अपने पंखों को फैला देता है, स्प्रेड करता है फैन के जैसे. हैंड वाला फैन देखा है ना आपने? तो उसकी तरह फैलाता है उसको, और एक साइड से दूसरी साइड पे ऐसे ऐसे घूम घूम के डांस करता है. एंड peacocks always dance in the rains. The female bird is called peahen. Now peacock is a male version and peahen is a female version. The peahen is not as beautiful as the peacock. और peacock के जैसे जो peahen है वो beautiful नहीं होती है, उसके ऐसे long feathers नहीं होते हैं. It lays eggs in a nest which it builds in a bush. और वो eggs देती है like all other birds bushes के अंदर, जहाँ पे उसने अपना nest बनाया होता है. The nest is made in a hollow in the ground. And where does it makes it nests? Hollow के अंदर, एक ground के अंदर एक hollow कर देती है वो, वहाँ पे जाके वो nest बनाती है अपना. These birds eat seeds, plants, insects, and even snakes. And what do they eat? They eat seeds. बीज खाते हैं, plants खाते हैं, insects खाते हैं और snakes भी खाते हैं. They are very brave. They can fight and kill snakes. And snake is a very dangerous creature, right? But these peacocks are very brave birds. They can fight and kill snakes. The peacocks and peahens lives in the bushes. They live in the bushes. They don't live on trees. They live in the bushes. Though they have beautiful feathers, they cannot fly very high in the air. उनके बहुत ही प्यारे feathers होते हैं, मगर वो बहुत ज़्यादा ऊंचा नहीं उड़ सकते हवा में, like all the birds. They do fly, but not on a very high range. थोड़ा नीचे नीचे उड़ते हैं because they are too heavy. Feathers बहुत भारी होते हैं, तो because of the weight they cannot fly too high. We are proud of these birds. Nobody is allowed to shoot them. And we are proud of these birds. ये birds के हम we feel proud कि ये birds हमारे यहाँ है और हमारा national bird है. And nobody is allowed to shoot them. और किसी को peacocks को shoot करना allow नहीं. अगर आप peacocks को shoot करते हो तो फिर आपको जेल हो सकती है. These birds need our care and love. We must look after them. And these birds, they need our care and love. That means we should not destroy their habitat and we should not kill them and we should look after them. हमें उनका ध्यान रखना चाहिए. So this was all about the national bird. So peacock is our national bird. Now let's come to the question answers. Once the class teacher brought a feather in the class. The teacher drew a peacock on the blackboard. The peacock is the national bird. The peacock has colorful feathers. Now use the words in the box to fill the blanks. Drew, colors, plume, lace, hollow. The peacock has a plume on his head. The female lays eggs in the nest. The nest is made in a hollow in a ground. The teachers drew a peacock on the blackboard. The colors of the peacock feathers are blue, green and dark red. तो ये जो fill in the blanks है ये आपके चैप्टर में से हैं. Which is our national bird? The peacock is our national bird. How do the spots on feather of a peacock look like? किसकी तरह लगते हैं? They look like an eye. The spots on a feather looks like beautiful and golden eyes. When does a peacock mostly dance? कब डांस करता है peacock? Peacock mostly dances in rainy season. Where does a peahen makes its nest? A peahen makes its nest in a hollow in a ground. What do these birds eat? These birds eat seeds, insects, plants and snakes. Now, these are jumble words given to you. Jumble means जो actual word है उसके alphabets को आगे पीछे करके दिया हुआ है और आपको पहचानना है कि वो क्या है. And the pictures are also given to you. Look at these pictures. The first one is sparrow. The second one is swan. Third one is penguin. Then is eagle. This is owl and this is duck. Complete the phrases and match them with the pictures. अब आपको ये phrases complete करने हैं और pictures के साथ match करना है. A beautiful feather. A long tail. A dangerous snake. A clever fox. A beautiful dog. Faithful dog. A greedy woman. Alright, why it is greedy? Because it is killing this hen. So that's how you need to do this. Next is match the words with their opposite meaning. अब आपको opposite meaning के साथ match करना है. Beautiful का opposite ugly. Spread मतलब फैलाना, तो उसका opposite क्या होगा? Collect, इकट्ठा करना. Build मतलब कुछ बनाना, उसका opposite destroy मतलब खराब करना, बिगाड़ना, तोड़ना. Love means you know what is love. Love का opposite hate, नफरत. Brave मतलब someone who is very brave, बहादुर, और उसका उल्टा क्या हो गया? डरपोक, coward. Now use or and join the following sentences. Now look at the first one. Is that bird a peacock? Is that bird a crow? अब आपको sentences को join करना है और के साथ. Is that bird a peacock or a crow? अब दो sentences हैं, उनको join करके लिख सकते हैं, sentence small हो जाएगा, and दो sentences से हम एक sentence बना सकते हैं. Is that bird a peacock or a crow? Are the feathers of a peacock green? Are the feathers red? How do we make it? Are the feathers of a peacock green or red? Is peacock's tail short or long? Are the peacocks brave bird or coward birds? Are those boys playing or studying? Is that man a mason or a carpenter? Mason means मजदूर जो घर बनाता है. Mason or carpenter. Now ask questions to each of the following answers. Starts with do you. Do you से आपको question start करना है. I like to watch birds and animals. Question can be, do you like watch birds or animals? Now, I like to visit Taj, not the Red Fort. Do you like to visit the Taj or the Red Fort? आपको और भी add करना है इसमें. I like to drink coffee, not tea. Question can be, do you like to drink coffee or tea? I like to read English or history. Do you like to read English or history? मतलब तुम्हें English पढ़ना पसंद है या history पढ़ना पसंद है? तो the answer is I like to read English, not history. I like to listen to music, not watch TV. Do you like to listen to music or watch TV? I like to color pictures, not draw them. Question will be, do you like to color pictures or draw them? So these are very simple exercises. Now next one, you can do it on your own. It is very simple. Write the sentences using capital letters wherever necessary. Now where to use capital letter? Capital letters are used in the beginning of the sentence. ठीक है, सेंटेंस जहाँ बिगिन होता है वहाँ लिखते हैं. फुल स्टॉप के बाद जब नया सेंटेंस स्टार्ट होता है देन वी यूज कैपिटल लेटर. वी राइट ऑल स्पेशल names, that is all proper nouns in capital letter. That's what you need to do here. Now there are many national park and sanctuaries in India. There is the first letter, then T will start with T, capital T. India is a country. India is a name of a country. It is a proper noun. It will start with I. We can see a large variety of wildlife in those parks and sanctuaries. Now we is a new sentence. It will start with W will be capital. Kaziranga National Park in Assam is famous for rhinoceros. Now Kaziranga is a name of a national park, so it is a proper noun. It will start with capital K. Assam is a state. It is a name of a state. It is a proper noun. It will start with capital A. Gir Forest in Gujarat is famous for Asiatic loin. Gir Forest is a name of a forest. It is a proper noun, so it will start with capital letter. Gujarat is a name of a state. It will also start with a capital letter. Indian government is a name of the government, so it will start with capital letter. Is doing its best to conserve our rich wildlife. So that's how you need to do this. Now this is your homework. Describe the following pictures in 5 or 6 sentences. आपको ये picture को 5 or 6 sentences में करना. This is for your writing skills. Okay, you need to do it on your own. अगर मैं करवाऊंगी फिर आपकी writing skills improve ही नहीं होंगी. So you need to do this on your own. John was a wicked hunter. John जो है, this man is a wicked hunter. Wicked hunter means बहुत ही खराब. He is very wicked. He is very बहुत ही शैतान और बहुत ही cruel hunter है. And hunter कौन होता है? जो animals को hunting करता है, उनको मारता है. ठीक है, फिर उनके body parts को use करता है. So he is a wicked hunter. What happened? He did hunting. इसने hunting करी. फिर क्या हुआ? Forest officer is the one who takes care of the forest and forest animals. So forest animal ने उसको arrest कर लिया है, right? फिर उसको punishment मिली, उसको jail हो गई. So that's how you can write the story. Now solve the puzzle, bird puzzle. आपको bird puzzle solve करनी है. This is peacock. Number 1 peacock. Then number 2 pigeon. यहाँ पे pigeon लिखेंगे. Then owl. O से start हो रहा है owl. Then this is a kingfisher. Kingfisher is a bird. यहाँ पे kingfisher आ गया. Then duck. All right. Then this is a kiwi. All right. So that's how you need to write the names of these birds here.